When I was 19 years old, a private, intimate video of me was shared with the world without my consent. People called it a scandal. It wasn't. It was abuse.
Paris Hilton est revenue sur la vidéo sexuelle d'elle diffusée sans son consentement en 2004 pour faire changer la législation américaine. La star de télé-réalité était au Capitole ce 22 janvier aux côtés de l'élu démocrate Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez pour soutenir le Defiance Act, une loi contre les contenus générés par intelligence artificielle à caractère sexuel qu'on appelle aussi deepfake. Paris Hilton estime que ce qu'elle a vécu à l'époque arrive désormais à des millions de femmes en bien pire.
When I was 19 years old, a private, intimate video of me was shared with the world without my consent. People called it a scandal. It wasn't. It was abuse. There were no laws at the time to protect me. There weren't even words for what had been done to me. They called me names, they laughed and made me the punchline. They sold my pain for clicks. And then they told me to be quiet, to move on, to even be grateful for the attention. These people didn't see me as a young woman who had been exploited. They didn't see the panic that I felt, the humiliation or the shame. I lost control over my body, over my reputation. My sense of safety and self-worth was stolen from me. Because today, what happened to me then is happening now, to millions of women and girls in a new and more terrifying way. Before, someone had to betray your trust and steal something real. Now, all it takes is a computer and a stranger's imagination. Deepfake pornography has become an epidemic.
Si une loi existe déjà pour garantir la suppression des vidéos des plateformes, l'élu démocrate souhaite aller plus loin.
And while these images may be digital, the harm to victims is very real. Women lose their jobs when they are targeted with this. Teenagers switch schools, and children lose their lives. It is not enough to take down content. We have to give victims a civil right of action.
Paris Hilton lutte depuis plusieurs années contre les violences sexuelles, notamment celles touchant les mineurs. Le Defiance Act, déjà adopté par le Sénat, permettrait aux victimes de poursuivre les créateurs, mais aussi les distributeurs de deepfakes pornographiques générés par intelligence artificielle.